recording this video to show you the lights and stuff that are flashing on my dash. I'm doing my turn signal, and you can see it goes up, it goes down, no flashers come on, nothing happens. My windshield wipers work though. Horn works, but no signals, no turn signals. Windshield wipers do come on. So, fixing to come to a stop up here at this red light. I don't know if I have brake lights or not. Still no turn signals. My brake lights on, ABS lights on, airbag lights on. Turning. This is going to pull into the daycare. I'm gonna pull around here where I can test. See if the lights are even working. Alright. So I don't see my running lights on. Ooh. Power steering is hard to turn. Can't tell if my running lights are on. I don't think my high beams are coming on.